Hey everyone, welcome back to Hobbies with Jose. I'm Jose Carbajal. Today we've got part 4 of our Polar Lights 1/1000 scale USS Enterprise. We're almost towards the end, so let's go. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's great to have you back. Now, last week we did go ahead and complete our warp engines, which I still have them to the side there. But today we're going to start working on the saucer section, adding all of the clear pieces for the windows and the LEDs as well, and hopefully moving on to the main body too. So let's get started. We're going to work on the top saucer section first, and we're going to be inserting the clear pieces up on top. Now, I do want them to have a bit of a frosted look so we don't see too much of the inside like the LEDs and whatnot. So once I cut them off of the clear sprue, I'll be sanding them down a bit. I don't want to start off too rough, so I'll be using this number 800 sanding stick. And I'm just working my way on top in small circles, and already that's looking pretty good. And I'm also going to lightly touch up the small windows on the sides. And here we're going to add some LEDs labeled letter H, which is 3 in total, onto these 3 notches here. And again, they don't snap into place, so we'll be adding a little bit of glue to hold them in. Now for these two clear parts, both numbered 115, they go on opposite ends of the saucer, one on the port side, one on the starboard side. Don't ask me which one's which, I don't remember. But the two nubs that they have on the ends here, one on top, one on the bottom, they're going to be colored. One side has clear red, one side has clear green. So I'm going to go ahead and get these painted in, which is a section that I forgot before I glue them in. Now before I cut off the impulse engine lights, I'm going to paint in the edges just to match with the ship a little bit, but I'm going to use a darker gray. I'll be using Tamiya's metallic gray XF56. And while we wait for those pieces to dry, I'm going to go ahead and add the windows to the rest of the ship. That actually snaps on really tight, so I won't need any glue on there. This one feels not quite as tight. And here's an update on this piece. I finally got all of the little notches scratched out, and overall it's not bad. Could be cleaner, but very grueling work. This actually took me 2 hours, so that's where I'm ending the video today. But next week we'll go ahead and add the rest of the LEDs and start putting the rest of the ship together, and maybe even start working on the decals too. So thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you all real soon. Take care, everyone.